Hi all, thanks for making the effort to be here. Well, learning English is an effort, isn't it? We have to make an effort to do lots of things. You make an effort to learn phrasal verbs and idioms, grammar. I mean, sometimes we have to make an effort to get out of bed when we're not feeling well or to go to work. And sometimes we even have to make an effort to force ourselves to relax. Well, this video, as you might have guessed, is all about making an effort. But what we're going to concentrate on are collocations. Hi, welcome to High Flyer English, and I'm Steve. And as I said, we're going to concentrate on collocations about making an effort. Collocations are so important, and I'm frequently being asked to produce more videos about collocations. So today we have collocations about making an effort. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave any comments. Ask any questions. I love answering them. It's absolutely no effort. I don't have to make an effort. I enjoy doing so. Okay, let's make a start. Right, most of these are adjective noun collocations. So let's start off with joint effort, meaning a combined attempt by two or more people to achieve something. The success of the event was the result of a joint effort by the entire team. A conscious effort, meaning a deliberate attempt to do something. She made a conscious effort to be more patient with her colleagues. She must have had a reputation for being impatient at times and upset people. There's a strong one, a Herculean effort, meaning an extremely difficult or demanding effort. It took a Herculean effort to rebuild the town after the earthquake. Remember Hercules from Greek myth, obviously very strong. So it's a very strong, a massive, great effort and a Herculean effort. A sustained effort, meaning continuous and consistent over a period of time. Success in learning a new language requires sustained effort. Oh, don't we know it? Don't you know it? Minimal effort, doing something with very little energy or work. But you can use it positively. He completed the task with minimal effort, as it was very easy for him. We all wish that we could do things with minimal effort. Most of the time, it's not possible. Intense effort, a very strong and focused attempt to achieve something. The team put in intense effort to win the championship. A collective effort, a combined attempt by a group of people to achieve something. The cleanup of the park was a collective effort by the entire community. A valiant effort, meaning a brave and determined attempt, even if it doesn't succeed. The team made a valiant effort to come back into the game, but they still lost. Maximum effort. Yeah, this is a good one. Putting in the highest possible amount of work and energy. The athletes gave their maximum effort during the final race. She put in maximum effort into preparing for the C2 proficiency exam. And she passed. Then again, some things require repeated effort. Repeated effort, trying to do something multiple times to achieve a goal. After repeated efforts, she finally managed to solve the complex maths problem. I really like the next one. Relentless effort. Continuous and determined effort without giving up. His relentless effort to improve his skills paid off when he became a top performer. Commendable effort. Hard work that deserves praise or admiration. The volunteer's effort to help the community was truly commendable. It's always great to receive praise and thanks, isn't it? To be commended for what you've done. Strenuous efforts, attempts requiring a lot of effort or energy. Strenuous efforts were made to prevent the story from reaching the media. A determined effort, a very serious and thorough effort. Mike has been making a determined effort to save money. Yeah, something I should do. Let's have a look at some verb and noun collocations. These are phrases where a verb is paired with effort to describe an action related to that effort. Well, of course, we have make an effort to try hard to do something. She made an effort to arrive on time for the meeting. We can put in effort to invest time and energy into achieving something. He put in a lot of effort to finish the project before the deadline. We can waste effort, meaning to spend time and energy on something that's unlikely to succeed. We wasted effort trying to convince him to change his mind. Another way of saying that is trying to convince him to change his mind was a waste of effort. We can coordinate efforts to organize and align the work of different people or groups. The two organizations coordinated their efforts to provide relief to the affected areas. Reward effort. Well, this is something that we like to receive, and it's good to give as well. To recognize or compensate someone for their hard work. The company rewards effort by offering bonuses to high-performing employees. How about this one? We concentrate one's efforts, meaning to focus one's energy on a specific task or goal. Instead of multitasking, she concentrated her efforts on completing the report. I'm smiling as I say this one, concentrate on one's efforts and don't multitask. I'm terrible at skipping from one task to another instead of concentrating on one particular project and getting that out of the way and going on to the other one. Sorry about the aside there. Exert effort, meaning to apply physical or mental energy to achieve something. He exerted a lot of effort to lift the heavy box. Ooh. Spare no effort to do everything possible to achieve something. The doctor spared no effort to save the patient's life. This is a good positive one. To double one's efforts, to work twice as hard to achieve something. After failing the first time, she doubled her efforts to pass the exam. Reduce effort, oh dear, to make something require less work or energy. Well, it's actually going to be positive, this, because what we mean is using the new software reduce the effort needed to complete the task. as with minimize the effort to reduce the amount of work or energy required. The new system was designed to minimize effort and save time. Just to finish off with, I'll give you a few collocations that don't actually mention effort but are about effort. So you can give it your best shot. Give it one's best shot. That's to make an attempt, make effort that is worthy of admiration. Although Kerry didn't succeed in breaking the record, he gave it his best shot. An abortive attempt, a formal failed attempt, a failed effort. They made several abortive attempts to climb the mountain. They made several abortive efforts, in other words. They made the effort, but it was abortive, it failed. They couldn't succeed. And then you have physical exertion, hard physical effort. I'm exhausted. I'm not used to so much physical exertion. I'm not used to so much physical effort. A hard slog, informal hard work. It was a hard slog getting my thesis finished on time, but I made it. So again, required a lot of effort, a hard slog. You can use a hard slog about physical activity as well. It was a hard slog climbing up the hill in the icy conditions. A hard slog. It's a good one. And finally, uphill struggle. Informal, a lot of effort with no certainty of success. It'll be an uphill struggle persuading your manager to make the changes that you want. So it will require a lot of effort. You're going to have to make a lot of effort, which is going to be difficult. That's an uphill struggle. Learning English is an uphill struggle sometimes, isn't it? But then when you achieve something and you start speaking more fluently, then you're on a high. That's when effort is really worth it. Okay, thanks for staying with me through this. It was a commendable effort on your part. Please remember to subscribe and leave a like and ask any questions. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. See you soon.